the date of Patanjali can never be known by historians, because Patanjali was not any human being. It's a surname. Yajnavalkya, Patanjali, Vyasa, these 3-4 words, they were not any particular human beings, and if they were, then there were many Patanjalis, many Vyasa at different times, according to Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, the testimony I am giving you. And there is a saying, Hiranyagarbho yogasya vakta nanya puratana. One who was born first, the first that came into manifestation. He was the first teacher of yoga. So first teacher of yoga was not Patanjali. Patanjali was only codifier of yoga science. First teacher of yoga was Hiranyagarbha. Patanjali only systematized and organized the study and teachings of yoga and made the aphorisms. Therefore, Patanjali is not considered or called the originator of yoga science. See, way back 5,000 years ago, these aphorisms were made because their language is like that. During that time, the teachers used to put everything in nutshell so that the student remembered and through practices experienced and verified the truths given by the teachers.